Hey everybody, what's up? It's Rafe West. Rafe West here, taking a stroll. Taking a stroll in the neighborhood here. I wanted to talk to you guys about we got a new decade rolling in, and I think it's time to start to get prepared. It's time to start to get prepared to believing in fiat again. You know, I don't think Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is going to ever replace the US dollar. And you want to know why? As long as we have the strongest military in the world, military protecting and everything like that, I don't think the US dollar will ever be replaced. So as far as a cryptocurrency replacing it, I don't think that could ever happen. And then another thought I had about crypto is that, you know, we always talk about BTC and crypto needing mainstream adoption, right? Well, then I was thinking and I was saying, what if crypto, I want to make sure you guys hear this, what if crypto was never meant to go mainstream? You know, what if it's always meant to just be in this kind of foreshadow? You know, it was never meant to go mainstream, and it may turn out to be a 4-decade story. It may not be meant to go mainstream. You know, I was thinking about that. Nor does it need to go mainstream in order for it to flourish and or have its part in the world. So that's a good question to ponder here around the holidays, rolling into a new decade, that crypto was never meant to be mainstream in the first place. It's going to have its own little sector. I mean, heck, they're treating it as a commodity already, even though it says currency on the bottom of the ticker symbol. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just thinking 2 points from this video: that it was never meant to go mainstream, and it will not replace the US dollar as a form of currency. Not as long as we're number one militarily, or the number one superpower. Even if we go down to number 2 and China becomes the number 1 superpower, still not going to go and replace the US dollar or even the yen. You know, I don't think it'll replace it. So that's just my opinion. Not being bearish, but not being bullish right now. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What do you think on those 2 points? Is it meant to go mainstream? Does it need to go mainstream in order to survive? And will it ever replace the US dollar? You know, those are 2 things I've been pondering, and it's maybe time to start paying attention to fiat related things if we want to build wealth and increase you know, our chances of having some kind of wealth or security in the future. So those are my thoughts on that, my 2 cents or 2 satoshis, however you want to put it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Some of these lights here are looking very nice because it's right around the corner, a new decade. So let me know what you guys think. All right, also give me a like so I can keep this channel going. Hit me up with a like and subscribe, and also share this video with anybody who's into crypto or even the fiat world. I'd like to hear all your comments, what you think about those couple of points I made about crypto and just the finance world in general. All right, guys, this is Rafe West. Until next time, everybody, all right? Take care and have a good one, all right, everybody? Peace.